better documents. In this series, we'll take a look at some documents. We will look at 3 good things about a document and 3 things that could be better. In this episode of Make Better Documents, we're going to take a look at a handout that is part of an online course. So this is a single page handout. And one of the things that I think is really good about this is just how much white space there is around all of the content. It really allows all of the different elements to breathe. Another thing that's really good about this document is the icons. They're actually quite cute and they do convey the message. So here we'll zoom in and take a look at them, where we've got the heart and then the broken heart for when a relationship's not working. The other thing that I think is good about this document is it has a very cohesive overall look. Something that could be better about this document, I think, would be to do with the headline being so big versus the body text being quite small. So the body text is quite small here compared to the headline. I think maybe if the headline was just that little bit smaller, it wouldn't shout so much. Something else to be quite mindful of when working with colors is just allowing there to be enough contrast between your foreground and your background color. So I think that the dark blue text here on the light blue is plenty of contrast, but I'm a little bit worried about there not being enough contrast with this dark blue on this slightly darker light blue. And then the same goes for the white on the blue. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to see that contrast. Something else that could be better is allowing more space for the content to breathe. So for example, here, this content is very close to the edge here on the blue, and there is so much white space in this document that we could have had the blue boxes just be that little bit wider, so there would be a little bit more space here on this right hand side. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the description is information how to hire me to design all of your workshop materials. There's a link to quick online courses. Making the world a more beautiful place, one document at a time.